Welcome back. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the GoPro 7 Black, okay? This comes in 3 different versions, black, silver, and white. The main difference between this and the rest of the GoPros, as you can see on the box here, is actually going to be, let me hide some menus, you guys, sorry. Is actually going to be the hypersmooth functionality, okay? That is the most exciting thing that we're going to get to. I'm not going to show you any of that footage here. Unfortunately, I haven't charged it. It's an unboxing, but I will be using this in my videos in the future, and I'm really excited about this feature. I do have some gimbals and stuff like that, but it will be nice to see if this actually does do the gimballess stabilization like it's supposed to, okay? Other than that, it's pretty similar to a lot of the other GoPro 6. The one major difference is it's supposed to have a lot better audio, a lot better microphones. I believe it has 4 microphones instead of the standard 1 or 2 that the 6 had. 1080p at 240, 4K at 60, 12 megapixel. I'm really excited because tomorrow my Sony A7 III is actually showing up here, so that this is like Christmas for me right now. A GoPro 7 plus that coming. 8 times slow motion, HDR, GPS, all kind of standard that was in the 6. But like I said, the hypersmooth and the 4 cameras is gonna be amazing. I already pulled this out of here because my DJI Mobile 2 was tracking the box instead of my GoPro. Anyway, so let's just get rid of the box. One thing I should mention also is if you buy it straight from GoPro, they are going to throw in a 32 gigabyte extreme SanDisk for your GoPro. That's I think usually around like $70 something. I think you can use it on Amazon for like 30 or 40. I'll put a link in the description in case you don't go that route, so you can support my channel. Anyways, here is the actual GoPro. Oh, one more thing I should add in. GoPro's website is also doing a trade-in, so you can send in any camera that is originally $100 or more, and they will take $100 off of your GoPro. So this is normally $499. I got it for $399. I got it for $299. Okay, but I will throw a link in the description to where you can get this at the cheapest price possible. Okay, let's go ahead and open this and see what comes in the package. I believe it's all going to be standard. Oh wow, standard GoPro equipment. Yeah, just same as always. Battery, of course. A couple mount brackets. Charging cord. All your paperwork and warranty information, of course. And then, of course, you have the camera up on top. Pull that off here real quick, guys. Sorry. Alright, that's it. Okay. One thing that's nice about this GoPro is it does have the GoPro label right here large on the side. The GoPro 6 and the 5 are kind of almost indistinguishable. They have them on the front of the cameras and a little bit of a logo, I think, up here. Touchscreen, of course. And that's it, guys. I'm really excited about this new piece of equipment. And to see where it goes. I mean, like I said, it's almost the hypersmooth and those extra cameras. I mean, microphones are going to be the most exciting thing about this camera. So, anyway, guys, I'm not going to go much further into it as of right then. I'm just going to keep it simple, show you what it looks like, and thanks for watching. I'm so sorry, I totally lied to you. I forgot even the 6s and the 5s don't have GoPro. It's there. It's actually almost in the same spot. So the GoPro 7 logo is here, as well as on the case here. But in the 6 and the 5, they had a very small label here over what model it was. Here it's a very big block 7, and here is what it looks like without the casing on it. Alright guys, make sure you subscribe. Talk to you guys later.